Hi students, today I am going to solve integration from 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay students, since we know that integration from 0 to a fx dx equal to integration from 0 to a f a minus x dx. Now students, let I is equal to integration from 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, so now using this property students, we can write it 0 to pi integration from 0 to pi minus x into sin pi minus x upon 1 plus cos square pi minus x. Now integration from 0 to pi pi minus x sin pi minus x equal to sin x upon 1 plus, here students, we know that cos square pi minus x, we can write it cos pi minus x whole square. So here we know that cos pi minus x is equal to minus cos x, and finally it will be cos square x, and here we can write it cos square x dx. Okay, here will be also dx here. Okay, now since sin pi minus x is equal to sin x and cos pi minus x equal to minus cos x. Okay, using this property students, we can write this in this form. Okay, so now next step will be students, I is equal to integration from 0 to pi, opening the brackets here, pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x minus integration dx minus integration 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. And now this implies I is equal to integration from 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx minus, and this is called from question here students, I is equal to this, we can write it this is equal to I. Okay, so here will be taking this I in LHS part, we will get 2I equal to 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. This implies I is equal to, and this pi will be taken in outside from integration, so here will be students pi by 2 integration from 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, now using substitution method here students, we can substitute, put cos x equal to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x students. This implies cos x minus sin x equal to dt upon dx. This implies sin x dx equal to minus dt. Okay, now here we will change the limits. So here will be when x is equal to 0, this implies t is equal to, now putting the value of x 0 here, cos 0 is equal to 1. So here t is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, then t goes to 1. Now when x is equal to pi, this implies cos pi is equal to minus 1. Here t is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now finally we can write therefore I equal to pi by 2 integration from 0 1 to minus 1 to minus 1 sin x dx is equal to minus dt, the minus pi by 2, and dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay. Now this implies I is equal to here students, we know that a property integration from a to b fx dx equal to minus integration from b to a fx dx. Now students, using this property we can change here. We can write it integration from 1 to minus 1 dt upon 1 plus t square is equal to minus integration from minus 1 to 1 dt upon 1 plus t square. Now with this property students, here we can write it then this minus and from changing the limits here, minus into minus plus. Okay, so we can write it I is equal to pi by 2 integration from minus 1 to 1 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay. Now since here students equal to pi by 2, here 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Here students, since 1 upon 1 plus t square, it is even function. So now we can write it 2 into integration minus 1 to 1 dt upon 1 plus t square. We can write it 2 into 0 to 1. 2 into integration from 0 to 1 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay. Now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, equal to pi into 0 to 1 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, equal to pi, we know that the integral of 1 upon 1 plus t square is equal to tan inverse t from 0 to 1. Okay, now equal to, here will be students pi into tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. This equal to pi into tan inverse 1, that means pi by 4 minus 0, equal to pi into pi by 4 is equal to pi square by 4, which is the required value of this integral. Okay, thank you so much.